Andres Gomez, who is a microbiome researcher.
When we talk about Westerners or industrialized microbiomes, we lack diversity.
To learn what's missing from the industrialized microbiome, researchers like Dr. Gomez have turned to the planet's few remaining pre-industrial societies to see what their guts have that our guts don't. Dr. Gomez hit fecal pay dirt while looking at the microbiome's mountain gorillas in Central Africa. He realized that the stool samples he was taking from them bore an uncanny resemblance to samples taken from the people living in the surrounding forest, called the Bayaka.
I collected the samples, sequenced their microbiomes, and that's where I discovered, well, there's something important here.
The Bayaka are traditional hunter-gatherers who live in the Zonga Forest Preserve. Their lifestyle is not only pre-industrial, but pre-agricultural. The fact that the Bayaka's microbial diversity is closer to gorillas than industrialized people suggests that their environment and lifestyle have an enormous effect on their microbiomes. So we hiked for 2 hours into the jungle to see what both these things look like.
This is it. So these are all their huts. Everybody is now mobilizing to go hunting. Telling the animals to come into his net.
The Bayaka hunt by stringing up nets in a large circle, then flushing out animals from the encircled forest into set nets, which isn't always as cut and dry as it sounds.
That's, I guess, the fourth animal that's gotten through a net. Yeah, today's really a gather day, for sure. Part of what Andreas is studying in terms of the microbiome, a good deal of it relates to what we'll be gathering, the foods that they eat, and also the bark from trees and stuff they use as medicines. But the environment itself has a major impact on your microbiome.
So if you can't climb a tree and collect honey, you're not man enough to have a wife.
Wow.
That's shrimp.
Or pull it, keep pulling.
Whoa! I did not expect that to come out.
That's food, right?
The forest not only acts as the Bayaka's live-in grocery store, but also their pharmacy. The barks and leaves the Bayaka use as medicine may seem primitive to the average CVS shopper, but unlike modern antibiotics, which don't always discriminate between good and bad bacteria, they're a lot easier on the microbiome.
You scrape this bark. You put your breast milk in it, and then you would use that and put it in your ear. This is a medicine for headaches. You rub it up in your hands.
Whoa!
Burns a little bit.
It burns a lot.
Well, headache gone.
Yeah.
Two foods that Dr. Gomez is particularly interested in due to their potential connection to the Bayaka's microbiome are cocoa leaves and forest yams, which have a much higher fiber content than their Western counterparts.
This is the thing, if we have the right microbiome,
Right.
like these people have been adapted to for millennia, those things are not going to be detrimental for you.
Like how a cow can eat grass, but we can't.
Not a cow can eat grass, but we can.
The cocoa leaves the Bayaka eat by the pile are likewise ill-suited to our industrialized guts.
What role do these play in the microbiome?
Fermentation, wouldn't be surprised if the bloom of specific bacterial groups is in response to this specific cocoa leaf.
The Bayaka's fiber-rich diet doesn't just make taking stool samples a lot easier. The breakdown and fermentation of complex foods in their colon helps populate the lower reaches of the GI tract with a greater diversity of microbes. Actually being able to see what the Bayaka eat and how they get it helps explain some of the findings in Dr. Gomez's research that lab science alone could not. This basic anthropological observation, combined with the fecal samples, helps paint a complete picture of the Bayaka's microbial health, which could in turn help us restore our own depleted modern guts to their original nature.
With every advance comes a caveat, sacrifice. So we were able to extend our life spans, but at the same time, we have starved our microbiomes. And depletion of diversity is correlated to weakened immune systems. So that's something we've lost. We've lost them, and the real question is, are we able to recover them back? I think future generations are going to be enjoying the fruits of the things that we're doing right now with the microbiome.